I'm coming back to you with another do-it-yourself tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be making a Christmas ornament wreath, and it will be very budget friendly. It should only cost you about $5 to make. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, everyone, so what you would need is a wreath foam. You will need some Christmas ornaments. I got a pack from the Dollar Tree. It comes with 7 in a pack for $1. You can get as many as you want. And I also got a bow from the Dollar Tree. It also only costs $1. And you will need your glue gun. So we're going to glue these onto the wreath foam. So just watch. Okay guys, so I glued on all the balls that I'm actually going to glue on. Let me see if you can see that. And if you want to glue on more, you can, but this is what I'm going to glue on. I came back so that I can show you how I'm going to glue this bow on here. I put a little bit more balls than I wanted to, but I'm going to put the bow right here, and then we will have us a Christmas wreath. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the bow, and I'm going to put glue all across on the foam wreath just to make sure it doesn't come off. Okay, and so there's the foam wreath with the bow. Let me see if I can pull the camera up so you can see it all the way. This is what I have, and I made this very inexpensive, very quickly. I got all of this from the Dollar Tree other than the wreath foam, but I believe they do have wreath foams at the Dollar Tree, so you can get one from there. But this is it. Isn't that cute? So thank you for watching. Bye.